Welcome to the video today, guys. Today we are going to see what our furnace filter looks like 1 year later. So we already shut our furnace off so it doesn't turn on. Pull out our filter. As you can see, it's a little, got a couple chunks of dust in it, but let me change it out real quick. And then here's the new one. So as you can see, just the difference in color is amazing. Okay, put it back in. Year done. Good for another year. Alright. So as you can see, it's kind of dirty. This one does say that you only need to do it for 1 year, once a year. We're actually going to take and switch it out every 6 months, and then we'll turn it. We're actually going to try switching it out in 6 months to see how bad it is in 6 months, because that looks like it's pretty bad. I mean, there's quite a bit of stuff in there. If you need a furnace filter, make sure you check out the link below. There's a link for the furnace filter which I use down there from Amazon, so they'll deliver it right to our house. And then this year we also have to change the filter in this, so make sure you subscribe and we'll show you how to take care of that. Thanks for watching.